Action!
Hey guys, it's Little Nick here. This is my bike check. We got ODL long necks, Odyssey power ends, Colt leader bars, 8.5 inch. Gay ass Sunday stem, sucks, but it's kind of okay, I guess. Stupid headset that's like blown up at stock. Odyssey classic forks. Shadow little ones. The Primo front wheel. D-Heart 2.25 white wall. I also have sleeves on the pegs. Yep. I'm a hipster, red plastic. Okay, I got the Fly Montana 20.6. It's okay, I guess. It dents pretty easy though. Demolition Market seat. And then got this random seat post from Hooper. Yep, $5. Got Eclat Plaza pedals from Logan. He got them from me for Christmas from Empire in Texas. I'm special. Yep, he paid for them too. I got this Shadow Scream Sprocket from Logan, 25 tooth. Shadow Half-Link V2 interlock some shit. Primo hollow bites. Yeah, they're pretty good. We got the Primo Balance complete cassette back wheel, something like that. Yeah, it's pretty loud. I like it. JJ rides it. And Ty, so always gotta do that shit. Support. Then we got another Shadow little one peg with sleeve, and then a drive side Primo hub guard because I'm too cheap to buy a new hub guard. Yeah, that's my bike check.